Hello, welcome to Cooking with Pina. Today I'm going to make pasta
alla Nerano.
My special guest today is my brother-in-law Torkil.
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Torkil, I'm from Denmark and I'm very honored to be here in Cooking with Pina. As Pina knows, I'm a sucker for simple yet refined Italian food, and the dish we're going to have today is one of my favorite dishes.
And where in Italy did you taste this pasta?
The dish comes from Amalfi, the town called Nerano, close to Positano. And I got it on a restaurant and I said, wow, what is this? And then I went back and I Googled it and I found out it's quite a famous recipe from the 50s. Yeah.
Okay. So it's a traditional dish,
yes,
from that area?
That's right, and that's close to where you come from, Pina,
yes,
by the way.
That's right, it is.
It is, as I said, a very simple dish. It consists of only 5 ingredients and it can be made in 15 minutes. We have the garlic, I'll say around 3 cloves of garlic here, very thinly sliced. And then you have 3 zucchinis, this size, also sliced very thinly. And of course, it's Italian food, so we need some olive oil. And then we have the pasta that gives name for this dish. And then we have the most important ingredient, and that is the cheese. And this cheese is quite special. It's a smoked provolone cheese. And it is the smoked cheese that gives the character to the dish. And you can use other cheese than provolone, but it has to be smoked and it should melt easily. The first thing you do is that you put the oil in the frying pan.
Okay.
And then you heat it, to medium heat, because you're going to put the slices of garlic in there, and they must not turn dark brown or black or anything.
As you can see, the garlic has already begun to turn golden, sort of light brown.
Yeah.
Yes? Don't you agree?
That's the color.
That's the color?
Yes.
So I think I'm going to start taking it
That's
off.
right,
Is
yes.
that correct?
Yes.
So the oil is already infused, I think, because it smells fantastic.
Yeah.
And what is the next ingredients that we're going to put in?
Zucchini.
The
on that.
zucchini. Okay,
Yes.
I think I'm going to put it all at once.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
So it's important that you do it easily so it doesn't splatter.
And I would say it should fry for around 4 minutes. So.
4 minutes,
yeah,
okay.
Yeah. It's very thin slices, but again, there are a lot of slices.
Yes, that's
so,
right.
Turn it around once in a while. Yes. And it should have a color, but again, only light brown, not more than that. While we wait, you can put on some salt and pepper.
Okay.
That's fine, Pina. We'll add some more at the end.
Okay. It's important that each piece gets the olive oil on it. We're going to leave it in the pot, correct?
Yes.
We're going to leave it right here in that frying pan.
I would say, ideally, you would boil the pasta at the same time, so they will finish up meeting, and
together.
Then we'll mix it.
Okay, now the water is boiling, and I'm going to put in about a tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Now I have drained the pasta, and we have taken 2 scoops of pasta water. Is that correct?
That's correct, to adjust the consistency of the dish.
Yeah.
Pour in this.
Good.
And then in goes the cheese.
Okay.
And then we'll just pour.
You can do
here.
this.
Yes, I'll do that. And then look at the consistency of this. The cheese should be melting. Just continue until it does. It doesn't need any more of this pasta water.
It does not?
No. Okay, I've really tossed the whole thing together here, and now we'll take it up to the dish. Look how it is. All the cheese has melted by now.
It looks very creamy. That's how it's supposed to look.
Oh
right?
Yes, exactly.
Wow, look at this.
Cheese.
May I have some?
Oh yeah. And then some recipes, they say that you should use basil leaves on top of this. But I think that to such a rich dish, you need something more fresh. So I would recommend Italian parsley on top of that. That
You
gives a freshness.
chopped it.
Yes, I chopped it on beforehand here. So Pina, are you ready to taste?
Oh my God. It feels like there is incredible amount of cream in there, but there is no cream.
Nothing. But,
So good.
and I think it's, you know, the smoked cheese that
Yes.
gives it this rich.
It's very different, the smoked cheese. I never used smoked cheese
No,
before.
neither have I.
It's delicious. It's really delicious. You have to make this. Torkil. Skål!
Salute.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Pina. Thank you. Arrivederci. Alla prossima volta. Cheers!
Cheers.